thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Greensboro, Winston-Salem, Durham, High Point, Chapel Hill, Burlington, Asheboro, Lexington, Graham, Hillsboro, Randleman, North Carolina Zoo, Maiden Lake, Thomasville, Kernersville, Carrboro, Clements, Mebane, Grove, and McLeonsville. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Davidson, Durham, Forsyth, Guilford, Orange, and Randolph.
It was made possible by listeners and by CAN-NC, providing fine arts and creative programs for adults of all ages on their Greensboro campus. Details at can-nc.org.
To the east of the center, a sustained wind of 36 miles per hour and a gust of 39 miles per hour was recently reported at Cape Lookout, North Carolina. Estimated minimum central pressure based on surface observations is 900. National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for Ardell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:23 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen already today from Statesville to Mooresville. Heavy tropical rainfall will continue to overspread Ardell County today, and flash flooding is likely to develop in many locales. Stay tuned, as this warning may need to be upgraded to increase the magnitude of potential flash flooding. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, gauges reported. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. At 8 a.m. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Granville, and Vance. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for southern Vance County, east central Granville County, northwestern Franklin County until 5 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over Lewisburg, moving northwest at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar-confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Franklinton and Kitchell around 4:35 p.m. Henderson around 4:40 p.m. Oxford around 4:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Dabney, South Henderson, Ingleside, and Gilbert. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Granville, and Vance.
Likes the futures the mother don't have to get.
Warren County, north central Franklin County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lewisburg, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Henderson and Kitchell around at 7 p.m. Norline around at 7:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Dabney, Ingleside, Satellite Point Marina, Gilbert, and Drury. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Vance, and Warren.
This nobody just keep looking up yeah. Well, but they said, ooh, what the hell?
Here is a special message from the National Weather Service for the following county: Iredell, North Carolina.
Ooh, let's go put the consider the up for the next cycle. He's going to back for the max. I said, ooh, let me put the up on the band for the shoot for a safe for the bad time. This is not the contract. Do it or no? Do it.
You're gonna love it.
Relax, bro. The heck is it? Ooh, what is that having to do with you? It's doing right now because it warned me that I've building the Gilbert. Sit off. That was late. That was late. What the hell? Serious? Dude, what the hell? What's the block? Good.
effort.